In the workplace, deadlines and schedules keep projects moving and help teams coordinate their work. When everyone knows when tasks must be completed and in what order they will happen, work flows more smoothly. Meeting deadlines shows reliability and keeps projects on track. Missing them can create problems for colleagues, delay other tasks, or disappoint clients. Clear communication about timing prevents confusion and missed expectations. Phrases like, "The report is due on Friday," or "Could you send it by 3 p.m.?" establish specific deadlines that everyone can follow. When timing is uncertain, asking, "When is it due?" or "Can you finish this by Wednesday?" helps clarify expectations early. Sometimes schedules need to be discussed or adjusted. Saying, "The project is behind schedule," alerts others to potential delays, while "The schedule is tight" signals that time is limited. When plans need to change, polite questions like, "Can we move the date forward?" help negotiate new timelines without causing frustration. Managing deadlines and schedules clearly helps teams stay organized, reduces last-minute pressure, and shows respect for everyone's time and commitments.